Hello and welcome to Nagaland TV. Sab Manula Awas. Aji ami khan yate Mr. Vika SIA lode ahina se. So Mr. Vika, he's a social activist. Tala upor de ekta arrest warrant aishe in regard to one photo which he uploaded on social media and went viral. To aiwi itya ami khan itula case la upor de tala wote alop kotha kuribo.
This incident happened day before yesterday. It was on day before yesterday. I got a photo circulation in my WhatsApp with a photo of our one side of a road and other with a car with our honorable PHE minister over it. So when I look at that photo, the road picturized there is the same road that I've been raising up in the month of June, July. So I got interested with that photo. Looking at the photo, I saw it and I thought that this is the same road that I've been raising it. So I put it up, that photo, I put it up in my story. It was not even in Facebook or I didn't write anything. I just put that photo that I was circulated in my WhatsApp, in my Facebook story. And I just wrote 2 or 3 words over it that instead of buying worthy cars, why not we all build a good roads? That was mentioned there. Then I am told by the police that the Honorable Minister's PA has a complaint, and yesterday when I was about to move out to Kohima, the police came to my house and asked me to go along with them. So I was shocked. They did not tell me anything. I keep on asking what's the reason. They took me to Dipapar police station, and after reaching there only, I again insisted what happened. Then they told me that the Minister PS has filed a complaint regarding the story. Then I said, what is wrong with the story? They said, the complaint is there, so I am asked to. So I waited for there till around 10-11 for the OC to arrive. Then some options was given to me to have some back channel talks. So we did not agree with the back channel. And I said, let the law take its own course of action, whatever it has to be. Then I was taken to the magistrate. Then I stand there for around 2 or 1 hour like that, and I returned back. That's it.
Okay, so sir, it all happened after you uploaded the photo.
Correct.
Okay, so we just want to know under which section did you get arrested?
See, I could not even consult my lawyer yesterday. Everything was prepared by the family. I was just asked to go there. I stand on the witness box for around 1 hour like that, and my advocate was debating. But what I could little hear with the argument was some IT sections was there, which my advocate and the judge were saying is a bailable thing. It is not that serious thing, so I should be allowed to get free. And I was there for around 2:30 hour like that, and I returned back home.
Okay, so sir, do you think you were arrested legally or illegally?
I am not a law expert, but I feel it that it is a murder of democracy, which means it is totally illegal. I has raised, because there is a 2 story, maybe the other story may also be there, but my story I will explain little so that the viewers, the Naga public could know what is the reason behind it. It was in the month of June when I was roaming around the Kubuto area for a COVID relief package. This road, the same road that we are talking about, was on the verge of completion. And luckily I happened to cross that road. Then I stopped it, seeing the repairing work going on. Then I just went and investigated the road condition. The contractors, they were making it. It was horrible condition. Horrible quality was going on. So I just gave my view that this road will not last for long. So whoever is doing this, I did not mention anyone. I said whoever is doing this should not do work like this. And I left. After leaving that place for around almost 2 weeks, I got a surprise, shocking thing in the Twitter that our honorable minister was standing on the same road and wishing the Kuboto people for giving the best roads. It is there in the honorable minister's Twitter account. that was posted by himself, and it was he has tagged even the Prime Minister's office, his government. So after that, I did not blame the minister. After 1 month, when again we happened to go in past that road was completely damaged. It was not even one month, it was 22 days after the minister tweet. I have cross-checked all the documents. So after 22 days, the road got damaged. So we posted again that the road that we were discussing has damage in 22 days. So I am a social activist. I anything that arises for the public, I raise it. So after I saw that photo, I put up in my social media also, post also, that we must give quality roads. Whoever it is has done it. Maybe I know that I have also done small work there. So we all blame easily the tax. We pay tax to the NPGs. These things is the reason for not making a good quality roads. So I was even suggesting that instead of 1 kilometer of that road, we could have at least built half kilometer and give a good quality roads. So we had a heated debate on social media about that. It should be supporter of contractor. But from where I don't know, the supporter of Jacob has started to pouring heavily, defending that we don't give road also if we complain. If we give road also, we complain. So I replied back to them in a debate also that whatever it is, we have to give good roads. And it is the ministers, whoever it is, contractor it is, should not blame or should not fool the public by giving 1 month road quality. We debated it, we stopped it. After we stopped it, this same photo came back again with the photo of the Mr. PHE minister with the car there. So we all know that's a general thing. All our ministers and MLAs are roaming in a Fortuner, in the VIP cars, not considering what the public are facing it. So in general terms, that tweet is in general terms. I have posted when I saw it in the WhatsApp circulation. I saw it. I was interested not on the car side. I was interested on the road side. So because the road is the same road that we have been debating. So I just write an extra word over there that we must not buy VOT cars and make third-class road. That was my tweet. So there are some middlemen among the families going on to apologize, but I said I can apologize for the post I put in the story, but not for the road, for the rail issues. So that is the issue. I think I don't know why the other party is serious on that, because we all know the mimi of our honorable Prime Minister, our honorable Chief Minister, our honorable Deputy CM. When I took up the backdoor case, my mimi was there full in the social media. So I don't know why, on what ground this went up to the case of police case. So I leave that part to the other side who has done that. For me, I have posted it and I don't regret. And future also I will be going to raise issues if it's pertaining to public, be it in the opposition, be in the government. Or issue does not have opposition ruling. If it's concerned the society, we will raise it, be it our family, be it anyone. So I think democratically I have raised this issue. I think it is democratic. We are not bothered whether the car belongs to the minister. Let the minister buy a chopper also if he can manage. That's not our problem. But our problem is our honorable PHE minister is a Gus Paniwan MLA representing us. So it is my democratic right to demand justice, whatever. If not only roads, I will ask him to give us good health sector, good road sector. Even I will ask him to build a college in his constituency, because our honorable minister for higher education can build a college in his constituency. Why not our honorable minister PHE seek a college, build a college out in his constituency, so that Dimapur College, the only college now left out with packed students. So anything pertaining to the society, I will demand. He may feel bad, that is up to him. But it is my duty to ask. And if there is anything wrong, I will not see that he is my family or my relative or whatever. I see him my leader first. I see him Gus Paniwan leader first. Public has elected him to work for the public. So if there is anything that is yet to be fulfilled, it is not only about roads. I have been asking the government for the past 10 years to build the Zikhe bridge, because the Dhansiri bridge has completed, half full Nagarjun bridge has completed, right? Bridge towards Nyok village side has completed, bridge towards Purana Bazar this has completed. Why is the bridge not completed in the Gaspani one that is connecting around 100 plus village? Near, if we cross Zion Hospital, you'll get that bridge. So it is my democratic right to ask questions. So I don't think so. Anybody should get irate of it, of raising the issues. If the ministers have anything, or if he wants to clarify things, he can call me up. We can have a seat. We can discuss. Because leave aside Jacob, even if the next ministers or somebody represents Gaspaniwan, we will do the same thing. If he doesn't do his work, we will keep on reminding that these are the things we have to do. So I don't know why he has to go up to the extent of arresting me. I mean, filing a lodge against me. But I think there were rumors going on that I'm arrested, I'm put in the jail like that. But I'm safe at home. From yesterday I'm home. Of course, quite for 2-3 hours there were some push-up hiccups going on. But I'm safe, and I'll be safe till I suppose, if they don't have any ill intentions, I'll be here like this, raising issues concerning the public. So I think we shout in the social media about if we raise question against the Prime Minister, if we raise question against the Chief Minister, they get arrested. We see only in other states. Now, today, I saw with my own eyes, and that happened to me, raising issues. I was asked to get arrested from the higher-ups. So now those situations where I am seeing in the social media, it has happened to me. But I'll happily take it. I don't have any issue with anyone. I'll be raising issues, and this is not going to stop.
Thank you. So viewers, that was in conversation with Mr. Vika SIA. He stated that regarding this issue is a murder of democracy. So for more updates as such, keep watching Nagaland TV. This is Chanbini with my camera person Zuchan for NLTV.